Hi guys! Welcome to today's video. It's Jake here. So now we're gonna play this game called Spider. So this game is like you'll be a player or spider and the spider's gonna chase you. Okay, let's click play over here. Cocoa bar. Where is the spider? Guys, this is creepy. Ah, no. Crowbar. Oh no, guys, run. We need to run, guys. We need to run. Guys, no, we're not to run. We need to run. Open this door. Oh no, it's creepy. We're getting spooked out. What do we need? We need the purple key. Oh no. Let's go. Let's go. We need the yellow key. Oh no. Run. We need to just get the yellow key. That's what we need. Okay. Oh no. Where's the spider? I'm so stupid. Where's the spider? Oh, the spiders are there. Run. Run, guys. Run. Oh no. She's getting eaten. Guys, faster. Get the purple key. Because this spider. Oh my. That's close. Okay, did you get it, bacon? Oh no, that bacon. Oh no. Oh no. The yellow key's upstairs. That's what we need. Where is the spider? Oh no. The spider. I hear it crawling in the distance. Oh no. Come on, go up here. No yellow key. Wait, let's wait. I hear him close. Let's go out here. There's a spider. Oh my, guys, that's close. Run. Guys, that creeped me out. Guys, purple key. Yup, you're guys done. You are done. See? Run. There. Run, go up. Purple key. No, that's not the purple key. Oh no. Where's the spider? Oh no, oopsie. The time ran out. Okay, so guys, I will cut the video because I'm gonna pick what to play. So, I'm gonna cut for a while. So guys, we're here now. We're gonna play Nico's Next Box Ultimate. We already played the normal one and Legacy. So, we're gonna try this game out. So, if you guys tell why do I always pick Nico's Next Box, it's because I want to complete all of the chapters. Okay, so let's play. Let's start the game. Wait, guys, just wait. It's loading. Oh, there, we're here. We're here. We're in the map. So this map is bigger than the original one. Oh no, there's... I'm cooked. I'm cooked. Oh no. I woke up in a new Bugatti. Oh no, I died. Open. Guys, don't know what's going on. Oh no, I woke up in a new Bugatti, man. Oh no, oh let's go, I made it. We're in the safe zone. Okay, oh no. Hello guys, come on. I want to see I woke up in the Bugatti. Oh no, no. Okay, wait. What's that song say? No! Let's go, we made it. I thought we were gonna die. I was vibing to the music. I was vibing with the music. But then a Henok came. I thought I was gonna die, but I made it. Oh! That was close. Oh no, the snail guy. Again. Guys. I'm vibing with, oh no, I feel like they're gonna come. Ah! No, alternate! No! Respawn. Oh, Pinhead is here. Oh, they're up there. So they won't get me. Okay. Okay. Run for my life. Oh no, Mr. Snail Man. Oh no! Ah, no! Okay. We're back here. Oh no, I woke up in a new Bugatti. Okay. I woke up in a new Bugatti. Haha. Hello. Hey. Aheno. Oh. Aheno! Oh no, I died. In a new Bugatti. Okay. Okay, so guys, it's the end of today's video. So wait, just for a second. So guys, that's the end for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I thank you for supporting me every day. And thank you really much. Bye-bye guys. Bye. Bye. Bye guys. Smiley face. Bye-bye. Bye. 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 Don't forget to like and subscribe and share this with your friends.